Wiggy. Alicia. Huh? Look at Daddy. No, she's okay. Let her try to do it by herself, Tete. She's got it. Hey, and let her try to figure it out like you did. Go, Wiggy. You got it. Go. Wiggy, go. Hey, you can do it. Oh, you just want to crawl on your knees. Go, Wiggy. Here, Wiggy. You want to hold my hand?
But you let me drive it.
Huh?
You let me drive my truck.
I know. Wiggy, give me your hand. Here you go. You can make it. Come here. Climb up. There you go. Now take a step. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, that was pretty ballsy.
Dada,
Yes, sir.
if this truck come in out here, the trucks will make the same noise like my truck.
Yeah, I know. And Wiggy found a puddle. Wiggy, no, that's Cole.
What?
She found a puddle to play in. I said they don't go down there, it's wet.
I can't step on it.
Okay, sure. Tay, why do you pull your sleeves up? Because you're flapping around like a bird. We're just going to leave your truck right there because we don't want the battery to die, but you can go to that park. Go ahead. Tay, pull your sleeves up. You want to swing? Wiggy, you want to swing? Wiggy, Faye. Alicia.